Makita XRJ06Z 18V x 2 LXT Lithium-Ion 36V brushless cordless retro saw. Real job site power.
Some days, your saw just feels underpowered. You squeeze the trigger and wait, listening to the blade chatter instead of cut. I remember pausing mid-demolition, arm buzzing, wondering why progress felt so slow. It gets frustrating fast. If you've ever hit that wall on a job site, you know the feeling. Ever been there too?
The wasted minutes add up quietly. Deadlines creep closer, dust hangs thick in the air, and your forearms start to burn from fighting vibration. A contractor friend once swapped blades 3 times before admitting the saw just lacked torque. That realization stings. You don't need chaos. You need controlled, reliable cutting power that works with you. The Makita XRJ06Z 18V x 2 LXT Lithium-Ion 36V brushless cordless Recipro saw steps in as that upgrade. Powered by 2 18V LXT batteries to deliver 36V performance, it brings near corded strength without leaving the Makita platform. Don't just pick any cordless reciprocating saw. Make sure it has a true brushless motor and dual battery 36V output so you avoid bogging down in thick lumber and metal. With 0 to 3,000 strokes per minute and a long 1 1/4 inch stroke length, it cuts faster and more efficiently through framing lumber, pipe, and demolition material. The refined crank mechanism reduces blade deflection and noticeably lowers vibration, helping you stay accurate and less fatigued. It runs cooler. One project manager told me he was behind schedule on a remodel, but after switching to this saw, he powered through treated posts and reclaimed studs without constant pauses. The electric brake, toolless blade change, and built-in LED light streamline workflow in tight basements or dim crawl spaces. If you already run Makita 18V LXT tools, integration feels seamless. There's also a small bonus. Extreme protection technology helps it handle dusty, demanding sites with confidence. In daily use, the Makita XRJ06Z 18V x 2 LXT Lithium-Ion 36V brushless cordless Recipro saw feels deliberate rather than frantic. The weight, around 10 pounds with batteries, actually stabilizes longer cuts and reduces wandering. One contractor described it simply as a beast but controlled, noting that the added mass dampened vibration during overhead work. Solid and steady. A well-known tool reviewer commented that it gives many corded saws a run for their money, especially in framing and heavy demo. An industry analyst pointed out that staying on the 18V LXT platform saves crews from investing in an entirely new battery system. Even a DIY renovator shared that while it's heavier than entry-level models, the cleaner, straighter cuts made the trade-off worthwhile. I noticed the same thing during pipe cuts. Less chatter, more predictable tracking through the material. If you're worried about weight, that's fair, but most professionals quickly adapt and appreciate the stability. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. What projects would you trust it with first? The balance of power, runtime, and durability creates a smoother workflow that feels intentional instead of exhausting.
If your work regularly involves demolition, framing, or mechanical cutting, the Makita XRJ06Z 18V x 2 LXT Lithium-Ion 36V brushless cordless Recipro saw offers practical, platform-friendly power without the cord. Join the many contractors and serious DIYers already seeing steadier cuts and fewer slowdowns. Results may vary depending on materials and batteries used. It's built for real jobs. If you're ready for stronger, more controlled cutting performance, click the link below and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.